Hello and welcome to GreenFleet Talks. My name's Kate Armitage and I'm your host for our discussion today. And I'm delighted to be joined by Kirsty Robinson, who is Business Development Manager at Stewart Signs.
Hello, thank you for having me on.
Hi Kirsty, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Now, I think I'm right in saying that you are the first livery provider that has appeared on GreenFleet Talks. So it is a first for us today. And I'm keen to find out more. So why don't you give us an introduction to your company and its history?
Of course. So in 1963, our founder, Roy Townsend, had a vision to transform the signwriting industry. So that was moving away from the traditional paint-based methods and replacing them with self-adhesive durable markings. So his entrepreneurial spirit, he'd worked with 3M and funding from his father-in-law, who he is the Stewart in Stewart Signs, led to the creation. So for over 60 years now, we have been a leading provider of graphic solutions. So that includes fleet livery and also we do rail livery, signage on the marine sector, and more recently the wrapping of lifeboats, as well as traditional signage and also out-of-home advertising. What makes us different is we are really committed to excellence, innovation and customer service. So it sounds a bit cheesy, but with Stewart Signs, it really is about the journey that we go on with our customers. Our goal is to find what suits them now, but also look at their future goals as well. And this ethos has led to us having lots of long-standing relationships. So these include Amazon and BT, who we've been working with for 26 years.
Great. Okay. Now, so this is interesting because whilst it started out as a family business, this is not a small business by any means, is it?
No. So we have around 80 employees and we also have full UK coverage. So whether somebody is having their vehicle wrapped in Glasgow or down in Exeter, you can be rest assured that your colours are going to be the same, the level of service. So yeah, we are based in Southampton, but cover the whole of the UK and even Europe, and we're even doing some wraps in Mexico and things at the moment.
Wow. Okay. Gosh. And with customers like Amazon, you're obviously doing something right.
Yes. So we have their backing and support, and it's all about working out what they need and building those relationships, getting it right the first time.
Good. Okay. So as the name suggests, this is GreenFleet Talks. So we're all about making fleets much more sustainable and helping them reach their environmental goals. How does Stewart Signs play into that goal?
So we approach sustainability from a dual perspective. Firstly, kind of what we can do to ensure that our production, our practices and our policies are sustainably focused. And then also how we can support our clients in finding the most environmentally conscious solution for their fleets. So from a customer point of view, we believe it's really important to give honest, clear advice. Ultimately, regardless of the manufacturer or material, there is no vinyl that doesn't require the addition of virgin polymer for repurposing. However, there are some amazing sustainable options, whether that be non-PVC, plant-based, recyclable. The most important thing when you're looking for an environmental livery solution is looking at your needs and what you want to achieve. So this is where partnering with Stewart Signs really works well for our clients, because like we said, it's all about embarking on this journey together, finding out current solutions, but also keeping you informed of upcoming innovations. From a company point of view ourselves, we regularly review our practices and we seek external specialist advice. We've had a significant investment in our print technology. So this means that our machine uses far less energy, it produces less waste while still producing high quality durable graphics.
Great. Okay. So it's not just about having a sustainable product. It's about making sure that your own business and the production of those materials is environmentally sustainable as well.
Yeah, it's really important to us that we're not just kind of fixated on that end product, what we're wrapping with, because there's so much else that goes into it. We also have an accident repair portal that allows our clients to log in and order replacement graphics. So that goes into very specialized pieces. So it reduces waste, but they also get analytics from it. So what it can allow us to do is we can identify and say, do you know what, on this part of the back bumper, you've ordered X amount. How about actually you move your design up 10 centimeters. That means that where you're getting significant damage, you're not going to have to be ordering a graphic for that. So obviously it's going to save on the waste, ultimately save the client cost as well. But it's just keeping that environmental focus with everything we do.
Gosh, there's a huge amount of detail there. Thank you. Now, part of the reason for Stewart Signs being with me today is because you are the vehicle livery partner for GreenFleet's EV Rally, which is this July. What will teams be getting from you?
So we're super excited to be supporting the rally event. It's an event that we believe has a huge positive message regarding electric vehicles. We'll be wrapping the vehicles in 3M Envision, and that's a non-PVC recyclable film. So it's a material that's bio-based, contains less toxins, and the toxins that are there, their toxicity level is far less than traditional films. So at the end of the rally, we will also be removing the livery and taking that, any waste products, packaging, end caps, and recycling them in the most sustainable way possible. So yeah, we're really looking forward to that. We are attending the launch at the end of May. And so we'll have a bit of a sneak peek on what the livery is going to look like. And so we can let everybody see all the sponsors and see it on an actual vehicle.
Great. And you're attending the rally itself as well?
Yep, so we will be there for some of the evening events. We'll be there to support teams and just to really help showcase and spread the word about the positiveness of the event.
Great. And I've got to ask this but I'm assuming that the livery for an electric vehicle is no different to the livery for any other vehicle in terms of there are no special considerations or anything like that.
No, nothing at all. You're still getting a highly durable, really high quality vinyl. It's one thing that Stewart Signs spend a lot of time researching. We have a very due diligent approach on looking and seeing, is this material fit for purpose? Does it actually have truly environmental benefits? And making sure that there's no compromise. Quite often, I think people think, oh, it's environmental, it's not going to be as bright coloured, it's not going to last as long. But actually, we make sure that the materials we use actually sometimes perform better than traditional.
Brilliant. Thank you, Kirsty. Right, one last question. What are clearly you're doing a lot around sustainability, but what are the plans for the future for Stewart Signs?
So for Stewart Signs, we see sustainability and innovation going hand in hand. So we have recently employed a full-time interactive designer, and they specialise in 3D virtual and augmented reality. So it's not only allowing our clients to visualise their designs in the virtual world, it's allowing us to kind of learn. So we can refine our production processes and ensure that we're having the absolute minimum waste possible and approaching things in the most efficient way. So in addition, we will continue to seek expert guidance and kind of implement their findings. We will continue to review our production methods from the print, finishing and application to make sure they are all environmentally focused. And we'll also continue the due diligent approach that we have with our customers, making sure that we help them make the right decisions for their sustainability goals.
Well, you nailed it. What a great answer. Kirsty, thank you very much for your insight today. It's been an absolute pleasure talking to you. And of course, thank you to Stewart Signs for joining us on GreenFleet Talks. That is about all we've got time for. Thank you for watching. Please tune into GF365 again soon.